the assumption was at BYU, this is a relatively structured place. Am I shocking anyone by saying that? And it was structured in 1976. Maybe in ways it isn't structured now. But we buy our books at the bookstore. Well, 3 of our law school classmates decided they're going to create a law school bookstore. McGelzo's Books, it was called. And you might pick out from that acronym what 3 guys it was. Certainly Zobrist is the Zo. But anyway, they bought and sold law books in the parking lot. And the BYU bookstore didn't know what to do about that because they had a corner on books. I mean, that's nobody, the professors weren't even supposed to release their book list to anyone but the bookstore. But somehow for reasons I don't understand. But McGelzo sold books.